Hello and welcome to this lesson on finding the midpoint. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to identify the midpoint between 2 points. You should also understand that the midpoint formula works by finding the average of the x values and the average of the y values. Finally, you will apply the midpoint formula to solve coordinate geometry questions step by step. Let's get started. Let's talk about the midpoint. A midpoint is the point exactly halfway between two other points. It is not closer to one point than the other. It sits right in the middle, like the balancing point of a line segment. On the graph, we have two endpoints. The first point is labeled x1, y1, and the second point is labeled x2, y2. The blue point in the middle shows the halfway point, or the midpoint. To find the midpoint, we use the midpoint formula. The midpoint is found by adding the two x values together, then dividing by 2. Then we add the two y values together and divide by 2. This works because dividing by 2 finds the average. So the midpoint formula is really just finding the average x value and the average y value. Let's look carefully at the graph. The left point is at -3, 3. The right point is at 1, 3. First, let's find the x-coordinate of the midpoint. We add the x values, -3 plus 1. That gives -2. Then we divide by 2. -2 divided by 2 is -1, so the x-coordinate of the midpoint is -1. Now let's find the y-coordinate. The y values are both 3, so we do 3 plus 3, which gives 6. Then we divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so the y-coordinate of the midpoint is 3. Therefore, the midpoint is -1, 3. This matches the diagram because the blue point is exactly halfway between the two black points. The important thing to remember is this: average the x values, then average the y values. So whenever you're given two coordinates, do not try to guess the middle point by eye. Use the formula carefully, step by step. Add the x values, divide by 2. Add the y values, divide by 2. Then write your final answer as a coordinate. Now let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try yourself. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of CD. We are given two coordinates. Point C has the coordinates 6, -1. Point D has the coordinates -2, 7. Our job is to find the point exactly halfway between C and D. To do this, we use the midpoint formula. The midpoint is found by adding the two x values together, then dividing by 2. Then we add the two y values together and divide by 2. So remember, the midpoint formula is really just finding the average of the x values and the average of the y values. Let's start by identifying the x values. For point C, the x value is 6. For point D, the x value is -2. So we do 6 plus -2. 6 plus -2 is the same as 6 minus 2. That gives 4. Now we divide 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the x-coordinate of the midpoint is 2. Now let's find the y-coordinate. For point C, the y value is -1. For point D, the y value is 7. So we do -1 plus 7. -1 plus 7 equals 6. Now we divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So the y-coordinate of the midpoint is 3. This means the midpoint has an x-coordinate of 2 and a y-coordinate of 3. So the final answer is 2, 3. Now let's check that this makes sense. The two x values were 6 and -2. The midpoint x value is 2, which sits halfway between 6 and -2. The two y values were -1 and 7. The midpoint y value is 3, which sits halfway between -1 and 7. So our answer is reasonable. Let's look at question 2. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Find the midpoint of A, 2, 4, and B, 8, 10. The midpoint is the point exactly halfway between two coordinates. To do this, we use the midpoint formula. The midpoint is found by adding the two x coordinates together, then dividing by 2 and adding the two y coordinates together, then dividing by 2. So the formula is midpoint equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now let's identify the 2 points. Point A is 2, 4. Point B is 8, 10. The first number in each coordinate is the x-coordinate. So for point A, the x-coordinate is 2. For point B, the x-coordinate is 8. Now we add these together. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Then we divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So the x-coordinate of the midpoint is 5. Now let's do the same thing for the y-coordinate. The second number in each coordinate is the y-coordinate. For point A, the y-coordinate is 4. For point B, the y-coordinate is 10. Now add them together. 4 plus 10 equals 14. Then divide by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So the y-coordinate of the midpoint is 7. That means the midpoint is 5, 7. This is the coordinate exactly halfway between A and B. You can also think of it like finding the average of the x values and the average of the y values. The average of 2 and 8 is 5. The average of 4 and 10 is 7. So the midpoint is 5, 7.